Okay.
Okay, so we got a Norelco razor. These things keep falling out, you know. It's got to be a good 20 years old or more. But you can buy these things on Amazon. It's like 20 bucks for these 6 little items. So these are the actual razors here. So these just drop down inside here like this. See the blades there? It drops down like that. Drops down like that. And then these just go in here. And for the last few years, this part kept falling off and I thought it was broke. So this thing goes on top because that's what makes it spin. Okay, all 3 of these are the same. Got that little clip there that holds it up. That little prong right there. So this just drops down on here like this. See that? There's a little stake right there in the middle. That goes through the hole. Okay, there's no magic there. Okay, so for years I thought this was broke because it wouldn't stay down. And every time I picked it up or the cap happened to pop off, it fell all over the place. I just noticed there's a little arrow here on top of this little thing here. So to get it to stay on, you push it down and turn it, and then it stays on. Okay. So just push down real lightly and turn and turn. And then it stays on. Okay. Let me go get the razor. Okay, so see those still work. Oh, okay, these things go inside here. So I was thinking this turned here. Why would they have gears on here if it doesn't need gears? But these go inside here. Go inside those holes. Okay. So feels like it's working. Okay. Got to be dull. It's pretty old, but it's still going strong. Okay, see ya. Bye.